each of y'all, if possible.
You mean, am I going to, are we going to make another film on LPG? Is
I
that
don't
what you're
know,
asking?
but I'd just like you to react on
Obviously, there are many social causes, and uh, it's not one. The government is saying LPG, yes. I mean, people who have the pipelines now, we all had cylinders. But most of us now have in big cities, we have the pipelines, we are getting the gas, so we should give away and if there is a subsidy, like if one earns that much that you don't need it, then it will be used for somebody else. So obviously it should be done. And I'll tell you that it's not that Indians do not want to give that up. This subsidy in a personal life is not too much. It's just pure lethargy. That we think कि यार कौन किसको फोन करेगा, फिर पता नहीं कौन आएगा, फिर बिल मांगेगा, फिर बोलेगा यार आपने कैसे ली थी, फिर वो करेगा. I mean, these are the things because of which we step back. Otherwise, I don't think that anybody should have any problem in giving up the subsidy.
Yeah, like he said, I mean, there's I don't think there's any question that we would have a problem giving it up, because if you're making enough money and you're earning well, you want the wealth, you want to make it easier for other people, but the processes have to be easier. I think once the processes are in place and they're really easy and really simple to follow, I don't see. I think most people would not have a problem doing that. I wouldn't for sure. And I think most people around me wouldn't for sure either. So yeah, I think if the processes are easy and simple, I think there's no reason that people should have a reservation about it.
Tell us about music also. How many songs are there?
ओए चुप. दो लोग 3 लोग रह गए. पहली बात तो ये कि बिल्कुल जिसके पास रिसोर्सेज हैं उसे सब्सिडी में कुछ भी नहीं लेना चाहिए. सिर्फ गैस ही क्यों, मैं तो खैर लेता ही नहीं हूँ, और जो लोग ले रहे हैं उनकी लिस्ट मेरे पास भेजिए, मैं सब ठीक कर दूंगा.
Well, I don't have anything new to say. I do agree with that, and I personally think that people should give up the subsidies. But I think there are mixed reasons why people sort of tend to delay the process of doing that. One, I think sometimes they just need a long time to get convinced because subsidy is a discount of some sorts. So that is one. And secondly, yes, the system is very painful. So I think that's more or less what.
Well, something really hurt me always is when I see people eating and leave food, If you don't eat that much, you should not take. And the whole idea of give it up is a very interesting concept, that any of us who has extra clothes, extra food, extra gas, whatever, we should give it up. And coming back to music, somebody just asked.
Yeah.
We have
one second. I'll just, before we start about music, just to add to this thing, though it is not related with the film. अभी जो ये जो सब्सिडी देने की बात हो रही है ना, कि गिव अप द सब्सिडी, वी शुड नॉट, हम लोगों को राशन कार्ड की जरूरत नहीं है. वी डोंट बाय राइस शुगर on a rationing basis, but please, अगर ये बात अगर आप लोग पहुंचा सकें तो पहुंचाइए कि भाई चक्कर क्या है कि अगर मैं राशन कार्ड छोड़ दूंगा ना, तो पासपोर्ट छोड़िए, मतलब मेरी जिंदगी बंद हो जाती है. तो फॉर ज़बरदस्ती एक राशन कार्ड मैंने रखा हुआ है. सो ये जो ज़बरदस्त, लोग ये भी डर जाते हैं कि यार कल को मेरे को गैस का कनेक्शन मुझसे पूछ लिया गया तो मैं क्या करूंगा यार. सो इट्स नॉट अ सिंपल थिंग, इट्स नॉट एज ईजी एज कि भाई आप लोग गिव अप कर दीजिए. गिव अप करवाइए ना, तो आप चीज़ें उतनी सिंपल कर दीजिए ना. मेरी समझ में नहीं आता है कि पासपोर्ट जो है दैट इज द ओनली डॉक्यूमेंट विच प्रूव्स एवरीथिंग. मैं वो पासपोर्ट लेके जाता हूँ, लोग पासपोर्ट नहीं लेते हैं,
आधार कार्ड,
वो कहते हैं आधार कार्ड है नहीं, तो कहते हैं राशन कार्ड लेके आओ. क्या मतलब है यार.
Well, I don't have a distinction between rural and urban, so black and white distinction anyway. So I think every character is different, and the preparation for every character, whether it's rural, urban, whatever, is different. But still, if you want to stick the word rural to it, then I've played rural characters before. So I think what was different was that it was from a different region, so it had a different history to it, and different culture to it. So I think this was him who sort of briefed me, and my preparation involved that.
And you recently entered into television as well. So how was that experience?
I haven't entered television. I did one telefilm with Anurag Basu, and I'm very proud of that. And that's it for now.
But for the fact that your films, if you see the characters in Badlapur and Hunter, they've been critically acclaimed and commercially successful. So we seem to have got that Midas touch now, and things are working.
Don't jinx it.
No, we want it for this film. We want it for sure. No, thank you, brother. We want it. Radhika is our lucky charm. And also, I'll tell you one thing. This trailer does not do justification to the kind of role and performance that Radhika has in the film. She is, brilliant in the film, and she has, in fact, the longest and the most strong role in some of her recent films that you've seen. Then, in comparison to those films, this film has tremendous performance from her, and a role that has, although she's educated in the city, but her roots are there. And on top of it, we are the supposed to be वो गरीब लोग जिनको क्या कहते हैं, जिन्होंने तकलीफों में चीज़ों को सीख कर आगे बढ़े हैं. Am I right?
Yeah, he's very kind always. But no, I think it's been a good coincidence that the films have released in the same year, and good for me that they've worked. So.
Sir, water is a.
I don't know about that,
But
sir,
yeah.
Gulshan ji,
water is a national problem. Water crisis. So, are you expecting a tax-free from the?
For more news and gossip, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.